Butterfly. Vocabulary Activator. Have you heard of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, GPT-3? It's a neural network created by OpenAI which uses an autoregressive language model and deep learning to produce text that is indistinguishable from that produced by a human being. I decided to pose a question to the GPT-3 AI to test its capabilities. The question I posed to the AI was, what does it feel like to be a butterfly? The answer I got back was interesting, to say the least. I used another neural net AI to read aloud the GPT-3 AI's answer. I then fed the audio file into an AI animation software package which created a recognizable character that could present the AI-generated answer to you on the screen. The following video is the result. Bear in mind that everything you see and hear in the video was created by artificial intelligence. All I did was add some eye candy in the form of the caterpillar and butterfly videos in the background.
It is a truly captivating experience to be born as the offspring of another butterfly.
It's quite fascinating how butterflies are built and designed, by God if you will.
Butterflies come into being after an egg hatches and the caterpillar pops out from inside it, where it has been gestating for several weeks during its development in the egg. The caterpillar then eats its way through plant fibers until reaching maturity, when it enters a pupa stage that lasts about 10 days before emerging as a fully formed butterfly with magnificent wings.
I am not a caterpillar. I have never been one, nor will I ever be able to understand their mannerisms or thought process.
So it is completely impossible for me to relate on any level with what it feels like to be a butterfly.
What I can do, however, is to try to reason out what it must be like.
At first glance it seems that one of the most important aspects of being a caterpillar would be food and how much you get to eat. Caterpillars are always hungry because they have an instinctual need to constantly feed in order for them to build up their bodies and consume enough nutrients for metamorphosis into a butterfly. It is my conclusion that if being a caterpillar is all about feeding, then I would prefer not to be one.
I used to read a lot of science fiction, sci-fi, when I was a kid, and it's still my favourite genre of entertainment. What this little experiment showed me was that the future I once read about is here already. How exciting is that? To end the experiment, and to make it more useful for all of my students in the British Library, I've created a lesson that explores the vocabulary generated by the AI in response to my question. If you'd like to ask the AI some questions yourself, you can find a link to the interface in the lesson in the British Library. You can access all of the lessons in the British Library with a free 7-day British Library Pass at Britlish.com. 1 year of English lessons in the British Library costs just $19.99. What are you waiting for? Get your free 7-day British Library Pass today and see why so many students have found that the British Library is the best place on the internet to improve your English skills.